Me de wakon ani gisemu ana yera samda ko minim se ye ka Kumawood a wote ase woni ba bia ekeka ko na sa Kumawood din ne kra no hwan ne de ba yera samda ko echeso no a ene ye nimdi a etaisa edina chi de wo panyina no ene se panyifo de nani monyam be ma no no maka ne se ye wono so abeye bi AdomOnline no.
There is a new association that has been formed, Kasee, the Ashanti Regional Minister, the Kumawood Ashanti Film Association. Are you part of it?
I'm not part of it because I didn't hear about it initially. I think that was the reason why the Sean City came and they interviewed me, and later on I got to know about it.
Okay, so after getting to know about it, do you have any intentions of joining the association?
Oh, I am part. I am ready for it. I am part for it. I'm a producer. I'm a director. I'm an actor. So I am part. I'm fully part of it. But I don't like them to use the name Kumawood. We are still talking about it. We haven't agreed on certain things because I have used the name to do a lot of things. Privately, I have used the name to do a lot of things. So if they want to use the name, at least there has to be a negotiation.